Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a new product launches and releases video about all the new stuff that I've been trying that I really like and think you guys would like as well. If you would like me to continue on with this series, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, like right now. Give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below right now too. Let me know, because there will 100% be a part 2 and 3 if you guys want to, and also most likely a part 4 as well, because I've seriously been trying so much stuff and I've been loving so much stuff. And I also wanted to let you guys know that all of the products in this video specifically are gonna be helping you get right and glowy and moisturized for these upcoming warm months. So I'm very excited. We'll just get straight into it. Let's get things started off with Glossier's Solution. This is more so or less Glossier's version of Lotion P50. That's what I can relate it to the most accurately, just because you guys know I'm a huge Lotion P50 fan. Glossier Solution is a lot more gentle and you don't have the stinging or the numbness that you get from the Lotion P50. So this is a little bit more generally friendly than Lotion P50. It's also a lot more affordable than Lotion P50. Another really great product from Glossier that I have pretty much entirely used up. It's the Glossier Body Hero. This is a full-blown body cream. This is so much more rich and so much more thick than a body lotion. Now this has a really nice light floral fragrance. It's nothing overpowering, and it does have that slight pinky pearlescent sheen to it. It's like the Glossier pink pearlescence through it, but this is just super rich, and I like the dewy sheen that it puts on the skin as well. Last thing from Glossier is the Glossier Lid Star. I am really impressed with this. I only have the shade Cup, and it lasts all day. It does not crease, it does not move. You can also double this as an eyeshadow primer if you really wanted to. Now MAC also released a shimmery body lotion, but this is really exciting because it's actually MAC strobe cream for the body. Now MAC strobe cream is actually very highly regarded as great skincare, and it has that really great pearlescence to it that makes the skin look dewy and bright and healthy. So MAC came out with a strobe for the body. It's beautiful. I do have the pink pearlescence version, so it gives you that hydration, that dew, and it has all those amazing added skincare benefits to it. And this is more like a true body lotion. It's a creamy body lotion, but it's not quite as thick as a full-blown thick cream, you know what I mean? Another new really exciting product from MAC is actually the new Fix Pluses that they released. These are the Fix Plus Gold Light and Pink Light. So it's the original Fix Plus formula, which you guys know I'm obsessed with. It's a product that I use pretty much every single day, and now they released 2 versions that have pearlescence to them. So they do give you a little bit more of a radiance and glow rather than just kind of a gloss that Fix Plus puts on the skin. So we have Gold Light and Pink Light. Obviously Gold Light's a little bit more on the pink, gold side, and then Pink Light's on the pink side. All the shimmer and pigment will kind of go to the bottom of the bottle, but they both have steel balls in there, so you guys can hear those shaking around, and that gets the pigment moved around throughout the bottle. That way when you spritz onto the skin, it evenly goes on the face. I'm obsessed. Okay, so I want to talk about 2 illuminators. The first one I want to mention is Revlon's Color Charge Halo Liquid Illuminator limited edition with the Color Charge collection. It's still available. I still see mine at certain drugstores, so if you can get your hands on this before it's out of stock, I would highly suggest this. It's a beautiful light champagne that doesn't look too metallic. Now L'Oreal also came out with a liquid illuminator that I've really been liking. It's the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion. Now the cool thing about the Glotions is that they are available in, I believe, 4 different shades. More of a product that I think looks really good mixed in with foundation or underneath. This one's not quite as intense as something that you would necessarily want on top of your makeup, and I do find that on top of makeup, this one can kind of almost like leave a patch in the makeup. But that's not a bad thing because it looks really awesome underneath and mixed in, and it has a really great hydrating formula. And another from the L'Oreal Lumi collection with this whole like highlighting thing, they released these. These are the Shimmerista Strobe Powders. The one I really like is, this is Sunlight, and then there's one that's a little bit more white with a pink pearlescence. Kind of has the formulation something similar to like the Laura Mercier translucent powder that comes in the tub. This is like that, but just straight shimmer, and it looks really beautiful on the high points of the face or on the décolletage. Décolletage, is that how you say it? Another thing from the L'Oreal Lumi collection that I've really been liking. These are the L'Oreal Lumi True Match Glow Nude palettes. Now, one is a little bit more suited to, I would say, lighter skin tones, and then one's a little bit more suited to, I would say, medium to dark skin tones. And the only reason I say that is just because with this palette specifically, I never used these two. I was only using these two, whereas in this palette, I've used all 4 of the shades, and I find that they're really suited to my skin tone. Another illuminating product that I've really been liking is the Milk Luminous Blur Stick. I wasn't actually that big of a fan of the original Milk Blur Stick. I do find myself using it occasionally, but I find myself always kind of reaching for this one. It gives you that soft matte finish that the original Blur Stick gives you, but this one has pearlescence to it, so it's a little bit more radiant, and I find that I really like this in my T-zone. I don't put it all over my entire face, but just in the spots where I'm a little bit more prone to getting oily. Next up, we have the Urban Decay Back Talk palette. This is really cool because one side is for the face, so you get 4 blushes. However, I would consider Party Foul, this top one right here, more of a rose-toned powder illuminating blush. I find that this is like a great complete palette just because you have different textures and finishes, so I can make a complete look with those eyeshadows. Another palette that I think would be perfect for these upcoming spring and summer months is the Cover FX Gold Bar palette. As you guys can see, there are 3 different shades. You get like a true bronze, kind of an icier champagne, and then a true rose gold. This one's pretty pink actually. The thing that I like about this is I think it would be really convenient for traveling because then you have all your highlighters covered, and if you are new to makeup and want more than one shade and kind of a better bang for your buck, I think this would be a good way to go. Next up, we're going to be talking about a product that I've been wearing a lot recently, and it's actually the product that I'm wearing on my skin today. It is the YSL Touche Éclat Fresh Dewy Makeup All-in-One Glow. Now, I really like this because it actually leans right in the middle of tinted moisturizer and foundation. It's not as light coverage as a tinted moisturizer, but it's not also as full coverage as a full-blown foundation. It's right in the sweet spot of the middle. We have the Milk Flex Concealer. This is the concealer that I'm wearing today. And again, along the lines of that YSL foundation, the thing that I like about Flex Concealer is that it's not super light coverage, but it's also not super full coverage. It's right in the middle of the sweet spot, so I think that this is going to be something that a lot of people really like. And the awesome thing about this itself is that it does not crease, and it does flex and move around with your skin without settling into lines or breaking up and looking patchy. Next, I'm going to talk to you guys about the Bumble and Bumble Scalp Detox. This is a fizzing foam to remove impurities and product buildup, which is exactly what it does. I recently have been just playing around with more hair products, and I do find that I get a lot of buildup in my hair. I'm going to squirt a little bit out for you guys. So you shake it and it comes out like this, but what you're going to actually do is spray it directly to your scalp, and you guys can hopefully like hear. You guys see when I'm pressing it? You're gonna leave it in for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you shampoo it out, and your hair feels so much more clean. It's insane at how this removes buildup. Another really cool innovative product is sheet masks for your hair from L'Oreal. These are part of the Everpure line, and what you do is you get in a shower, wash and shampoo your hair like you would normally, and then you're gonna put the sheet mask on your hair in the shower and secure it, and then you leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes depending on how long you like, and then you rinse it out, and your hair is buttery soft. And I think the cool thing about this is because it's kind of that sheet mask, it really like traps the heat from your head and just helps all the sheet mask goodness conditioning sink into your hair, and your hair is noticeably so much more soft after you use one of these. Next, I'm going to be talking about a very hyped up product. It is Summer Friday's Jet Lag Mask. It's hyped up all for good reason. This really has made a difference in my skin because it's really hydrating and thick. In fact, it's so kind of thick and balmy that I find that I don't have to use as much as I anticipated I was going to have to use. I use this very regularly, and I've actually slept with this overnight multiple times, especially when my skin is really dry. If you have a normal skin type but you travel a lot and you find yourself getting dry from cabin air, this could be beneficial for you. But just in general, I'm gonna say, speaking from my own personal opinion, I don't think this is gonna be as much of a game changer for you if you don't have as dry skin. Last but not least, we are going to be talking about the Clinique Pop and Splash lip glosses. They're what I'm wearing. Well, I'm wearing the one in Latte Pop, which is this one right here. That's what I'm wearing on my lips right now. What I love about these lip glosses themselves is that they're one of my new favorite formulations that I've tried of lip glosses so far. They are sheer, but put down enough color to where it almost kind of looks like it could be the color of your lips. And they are really shiny, they're very glossy, but they're not sticky. They have really great wear time, and they're very comfortable on the lips. I will be using these in a tutorial coming up for you guys. I'll share with you guys some of my favorite shades in an upcoming favorites video as well. But definitely check these out, especially if you're in the market for a new lip gloss. I need a coffee break because I just talked so much and I tried to spit out information as fast as possible so that this video is hopefully not unbearably long to watch. But I wanted to say thank you guys so much for the overwhelmingly positive response that I got on the sister video that I did. I seriously, that just like made my day, how many messages I got from those of you who also have siblings with Down syndrome or other special needs. And it really, I'm gonna cry again, but so I'm not gonna. It really made me very happy, and I'm so happy that you guys were able to connect with me on that level. And I definitely will be having her on my channel some more. She does watch my videos and she reads the comments, and I think it was very special to her to get to see all the comments from people just saying that she was so beautiful and that, you know, you guys really liked her. And I cannot thank you enough for the overwhelmingly positive response that I received on my video with her. I love her so much, and it was very special for me to get to share her with you guys. Like I said, this video wasn't dedicated to drugstore or high-end. I know it did lean a little bit more in the high-end world, but there are tons of new drugstore launches that I will be sharing with you guys as well, so be on the lookout for that. If you like this and want me to continue doing it, if you like it, I will continue to do it. So yeah, please be sure that you guys come follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, and I will see you guys in my next video. Leave a comment down below. I want to just talk to you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!